So here we have the Ford Ranger on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 4-door car. I'll start off showing you the cargo area first of all, and then we'll work our way back around to the front of it from there. I'm sure it will come as no surprise to see the amount of space that you have in the rear here, and of course you can remove this roof section should you wish to increase the vertical space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start off with the dials. So as you can see in the centre, we have the speedometer. We have the rev counter to the far right. Below the rev counter are the total miles. They are 105,603. We have the fuel gauge in that section as well. Over to the left-hand side, we have two menus we can pick from, as you can see, your entertainment and phone menu. And we'll come to the entertainment section and phone section in just a second. On the left-hand side here are the buttons I was using for that menu. These ones will change information in the main trip computer section. We have cruise control and speed limiter, stereo and phone controls, and then the stereo itself over in the center. So you can turn the whole thing on from here. Once it's turned on, down in the bottom left-hand corner, you can access the different ways in which you can listen to music. So AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, USB input, and then we've got Bluetooth audio, SD memory card input and auxiliary input. So loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. We can pair our phone from here, of course. We can access our dual zone climate control settings either on this screen, so you can adjust the passenger and driver setting from up here. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. As I say, you can use this screen, or if you wish to, further down, you can use the physical controls just here. So passenger, driver temperature, fan speed. Air conditioning is off, back on again. You can hit auto. The car will then maintain, as you can hear, you can override that whenever you wish to, but the vehicle will maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed for you. We also have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Heated driver and passenger seats, both with 3 different heat settings each. 2 12-volt charging sockets underneath those caps. We have our auxiliary input, USB inputs, SD memory card input. We have the gear lever for the manual gearbox. And then directly below that, we can make adjustments to the 4-wheel drive settings, the traction control, the downhill brake control, and you can turn off the stop and start. This vehicle is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. Last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for this car. So 2 keys, as you can see, loads of service receipts, the V5 registration document, of course. And if this vehicle requires either or both an MOT or service within the 6-month period at the point at which we sell it, we will do those for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Watson Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.